Have you ever wondered why some people never have to worry about money? What's the real secret to Warren Buffett's or Ray Dalio's success? In this video, I'm not going to give you magic formulas. Instead, we'll explore the roadmap that Tony Robbins developed after 20 years of research and interviews with more than 50 of the world's wealthiest individuals. I've spent weeks researching this book, and today I'm going to teach you the 7 simple steps to become the master of the game. Stick with me until the end to learn how to master money, not let it master you. Hello everyone, I'm Leila and so excited to be back with another inspiring video. If you are interested in personal and financial growth, please hit the subscribe button to join our community. Today we are talking about a book that has changed countless lives. Money, Master the Game by the legendary self-help guru Tony Robbins. This isn't just a book about investing. It's a blueprint for achieving financial freedom and living the life you've always dreamed of. In this book, Robbins acts as a financial journalist. He goes to giants like Warren Buffett, considered the most successful investor of all time, Ray Dalio, founder of the world's largest hedge fund, Bridgewater, and dozens of other successful people. He asked them, how did you get here? The result of these interviews is a simple yet powerful 7-step framework for financial independence. Let's dive into the core of the book, the 7 steps. Pay close attention to this section, and it's full of practical examples.
Step 1. Become an owner, not a consumer. This means paying yourself first. Each month, before any other expense, automatically set aside 5%, 10%, or 15% of your income. Invest this money and think of it as savings for your future self. Robbins also suggests creating a dedicated financial freedom fund, a separate account solely for investments that will generate passive income and lead you to long-term freedom. Step 2. Know the rules before you get in the game. Robbins talks about the destructive power of hidden fees. A mind-blowing example: 2 people start investing $10,000. One pays a 0.5% fee, the other a 2% fee. After 20 years, the first person's investment is nearly double the second's. That small difference in fees is a disaster in the long run. Step 3. Make your financial dream a reality. This step helps you find your financial freedom number. Robbins wants us to define 5 levels of financial security, from minimum needs to your most luxurious dreams. How much income do you need for a comfortable life? How much for traveling the world? Writing down these numbers gives you a clear goal and boosts your motivation. Step 4. The all-weather portfolio. This step comes from Robbins' interview with Ray Dalio. He presents an incredible strategy called the all-weather portfolio. It divides your money into 4 asset classes: 40% long-term bonds, 30% stocks, 15% intermediate-term bonds, and 15% gold and commodities. This method ensures your investment performs consistently, regardless of economic conditions: boom, recession, inflation, or deflation. Robbins also warns about market corrections, temporary drops in stock prices. He emphasizes that these are natural and even healthy for the market, so you should keep investing instead of panicking. Wait. Which of these steps do you find most interesting so far? Step 5. Win the game before it begins. This step is all about compound interest. Robbins says, when your money grows, don't spend the profits. Let the interest work for you. He calls it the magic of compounding. Step 6. Invest like the best. In today's fast-changing world, continuous learning is key. This step reminds us to always seek new information and learn from the experiences of experts. One strategy Robbins explores here is using certain types of annuities to guarantee a lifetime income. While not for everyone, these can be a safer choice for people who want predictable, steady cash flow in retirement. Step 7. Give it back. Robbins believes that the ultimate purpose of money isn't just for ourselves. The greatest joy and fulfillment come from using our wealth to help others and change their lives for the better. While Money, Master the Game might be a long read, it is an invaluable book. Its greatest strength is how it simplifies complex financial concepts with real-world examples. Its only weakness might be that some of its examples are more tailored to the U.S. economic system, but its core principles are applicable to anyone, anywhere. For example, Robbins shares stories of ordinary people, not just billionaires, who followed these steps, built consistent investments, and achieved financial freedom within years, proving that this system works at any income level.
Robbins' main message is clear. Money is just a tool. What matters is what you do with it. This book gives you the tools you need to build the life you want. If you are looking for a significant change in your financial situation, I highly recommend this book. If this video helped you learn about this book, please hit the like button and share your valuable thoughts in the comment section. Remember to support the author and publishers, helping them to create more great content. And finally, a powerful quote from Robbins himself. It's your decisions, not your conditions, that determine your destiny. So, start making a smart financial decision today. Till the next, stay in peace.